Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Rona Salsabila from Class A English Education Department. In this video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the P and B consonant. These two sounds are paired together because they take the same mouth position. The first sound, B, is called a voiced sound, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cord. If you put your hand on your throat, you should feel a little bit of vibration. B, B. Now, the P sound, that's called an unvoiced sound, meaning only air passes through the mouth. If you put your hand on your throat, you should not feel a vibration. P, P. It's also a little bit of a softer sound. These are stop consonants. In stop consonant, there are two parts. There is a stop of the airflow and the release. The stop of the airflow happens as the lips close, and the release is when the lips part and the air comes through, like this. Happen, happen, happen. Sometimes native speakers don't release stop consonant when they come at the end of a sentence, or when the next word begins with a consonant. For example, the common phrase, "What's up?" My lips closed in the P position, but I didn't release the air. What's up? Another example, nap time. Nap time. My lips came together for the P, but they didn't release the air. I stopped the air with my lips, then release with the next word. Nap time. Let's look at some words up close and in slow motion. The word pass. The lips press together and then release into the A as in bad vowel. The word spot. The lips press together and then release into the A as in father vowel. The word rip. The lips press together and then release. Example word P and B consonant. Ball, baby, bath, bring, job, piece, price, spot, rip, up. Now, let's look at some example sentences. Our first sentence shows us the B sound. B, B. A big blue bucket of blueberries. A big blue bucket of blueberries. The second sentence is the P sound. P, P. Pass the pink piece, please. Pass the pink piece, please. Okay, Now you know how to pronounce the P and B consonants. See you next time and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.